Hey, do you like exotic fruit? Me too. Come check out this Kiwano Melon with me. Now, the Kiwano Melon, also known as the African Horned Melon, is native to South Africa. Its fruit has horn-like spines, hence the name Horned Melon. The ripe fruit has an orange skin and lime green jelly-like flesh. The flavor profile has been compared to a combination of a banana and passion fruit, and its texture of fruit reminds me of a cucumber combined with the pomegranate. While doing my research on this fruit, I stumbled across some cool information that stated a small amount of salt or sugar can increase the flavor, but the seed content can make eating this fruit less convenient than many common fruits. And I realized this is probably why bananas were cloned and made seedless. Although the Kiwano melon would not fall under my favorite fruit of all time, it is a great fruit, and I'm glad I was able to experience this fruit. Its mild banana-like flavor and cucumber consistency, I think you should get this fruit a try as well. Also, if you'd like me to try some other exotic fruit, leave it down in the comment section below. And thank you for checking this video out. Don't forget to hit the follow button and also subscribe to the YouTube channel.